Dear students, welcome back. So, in this class, I'll tell you about the third type of central tendency, that is the mode. We have already studied about mean and median. Now, today I am going to tell you about mode. Now, you have already studied about mode in the junior classes. Like, if there are few numbers, say 2, 5, 8, 5, 9, 4, 5, 3. Now there are these numbers are given. Now if you have to find the mode of these numbers, so you know the number that is occurring maximum number of times, means the number whose frequency is maximum is considered to be the mode. Means here you can see the mode will be 5, because 5 is occurring 1, 2, 3 times. 5 is occurring 3 times. All the other numbers are occurring only 1 time, whereas 5 is occurring 3 times. So the mode will be 5. But this is about mode. But now I am going to tell you how to find the mode of group data. Means mode of grouped data. Mode of group data. Now, suppose it is given in a question. Class is given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, and 9 to 11. These are the classes, and the frequency is given 7, 8, 2 to 1. Okay. Now from these from this information you have to find the mode of this distribution. Now if you see all the frequencies, 8 is the maximum frequency, and that is of the class 3 to 5. So this class 3 to 5 is called the modal class. I repeat, the class with maximum frequency is called the modal class. So this is modal class. Okay, this is the modal class. Clear? Now, to find the mode of this distribution, there is a formula. There is a formula, and the formula is L1 plus F minus F1 upon 2F minus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, the formula is L1 plus F minus F1 upon 2F minus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1, and that is the formula. Now in this formula, L1 is the lower limit of the modal class. Lower limit of the modal class. L1 is lower limit of the modal class, and L2 is the upper limit of the modal class. Okay, F is the frequency of modal class. F1 is frequency of pre-modal class. Means the frequency of the class just before the modal class, pre-modal class, and F2 is the frequency of post-modal class. Okay, so F1 is the frequency of pre-modal class and F2 is the frequency of post-modal class. Now we will put the values here. We will put these values here in this formula. So I'll do it here only. Mode is equal to L1. L1 here is 3 plus. Now see, F is 8 minus F1 is 7 upon 2F means 2 into 8, that is 16, minus 7 minus 2, that is the post-modal class, into L2 minus L1 means 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, so 3 plus 8 minus 7 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2 only, upon 16 minus 7 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now you take 7 LCM, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7. Okay, 23 upon 7. If you divide, it is almost 3.285 is the mode. The answer is 3.285. The mode is 3.285. Clear? Now we will do one more example. Now in the next question, the age years 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, and the frequency is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. That is the frequency. 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Okay. So actually they are the ages of various patients admitted to hospital. Now the maximum frequency, if you see the table, the maximum frequency is 23. So this is the modal class, because 23 is the maximum frequency. So this is the modal class. Okay, it is modal class. Now mode is equal to L1 plus F minus F1 upon 2F minus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. Clear? Now L1 is 35, F is 23 minus F1 is 21 upon 2F means 23 into 2 is 46 minus 21 minus F2. F2 is 14, post-modal class, that is 14, into L2 minus L1, that is 45 minus 35. 45 minus 35. L2 minus L1, that is 45 minus 35. Now (35 plus) now 23 minus 21 is 2. 46 minus 21 minus 14. So 21 and 14 will be 35. 46 minus 35 is 11 and 45 minus 35 is 10. So you can write 20. Okay, now you take 11 LCM. So 11 into 35 is 385. 385 plus 20 is 405. So now divide 405 by 11. 405 divided by 11. So it is almost 36.81. The mode is 36.81. Always remember that your mode must lie in this class between 35 to 45. It must lie in the modal class. Okay, so it must be between 35 to 45. Now the next question. Okay, in the next question, number of students and number of states means frequency. Now, number of students 15 to 20, now 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Okay, and the frequency or the number of states is 3, 8, 9, 10. 3, 8, 9, 10, 3, 0, 0, 2. Now, in the question it says that you have to find the mean and the mode, both. But we can find all the three, that is mean, median, mode of this distribution. So we will start with the mode. Now you see the maximum frequency is 10. That means this becomes the modal class. This is the modal class. Okay, this is the modal class. This is the modal class. So we can calculate mode here. You know the formula for mode is L1 plus F minus F1 upon 2F minus F1 minus F2 into L2 minus L1. Okay, now that L1 is 30, L1 is 30, F is 10, so 10 minus 9 upon 2F means 20 minus 9 minus 3 into L2 minus L1, that is 35 minus 30, that is 5. So you can write 5 like this. Clear? Now 30 plus 10 minus 9 is 1, so 1 into 5 will be 5 only, upon 20 minus 12 is 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. Now if you take 8 LCM, then 240 plus 5, so 245 by 8. 245 by 8. You divide 245 by 8. So the mode is 30.625. We have found that the mode is 30.625. Okay, that is the mode. Now after finding out the mode, I will tell you how to find the median. How to find the median. Now you know, to find the median we need the cumulative frequency. So first of all you write down the cumulative frequency, that is 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 3 33, then again 33, then again 33, and then 35. Okay, now the sum of frequencies is 35 and half of 35 is 17.5. Now 17.5 lies in this, because you see it is up to 11 and it is up to 20. That means from 12 to 20 lies in here. So 17.5 lies here. So this is the medial class. Okay, this is the medial class. I told you, whatever is the total frequency, you divide it by 2. Whatever number you get, see in which class that number lies. So that will be the medial class. And now you know the formula for median is L1 plus n by 2 minus n by 2 minus c upon f into L2 minus L1. Okay. Now if you put the values, then L1 is 25 plus n by 2 means 35 by 2 or 17, you can write 17.5 minus c. C is cumulative frequency of pre-medial class, that is 11. So minus 11 upon frequency of the medial class is 9. And L2 minus L1 will be 5. L2 minus L1 is 5. Now 25 plus 17.5 minus 11 will be 6.5. Okay. Now 6.5 into 5 will be 32.5. So it is 32.5 by 9. You take 9 LCM. When you take 9 LCM, 25 into 9 will be 225. 225 plus 32.5 is 257.5. Or you can say 2575 upon 90. You cancel it by 5. So 515 divided by 18. 515 divided by 18. Then 8 times. So you can see the median is almost 28.6. The median is 28.6. So you can see the mode was 30.625 and the median is 28.6. And now to find the mean, first of all you have to take, you have to write down the value of class mark means x. So 15 plus 20 by 2 will be 17.5, then 22.5, then 27.5, then 32.5, then 37.5, then 42.5, then 47.5 and 52.5. And now you take this, we will apply the shortcut method to find the mean. So you take this 32.5 as the assumed mean. Okay, assumed mean is 32.5. Now you make a table D. So D will be 17.5 minus 32.5 will be minus 15, then minus 10, then minus 5, then 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so these are the value of D. And now I make a table FD. So FD will be minus 45, minus 80, again minus 45, then 0, then 15, then 0, then 0, then 40. So the sigma FD will be, see, minus 45 and minus 45, minus 90 and minus 80 is minus 170, and minus 170 plus 40 is minus 130, plus 15 minus 115. So value of sigma FD, you can see it is minus 115. Now what we do, you know the formula for mean is A plus sigma FD upon sigma F. Okay, A is 32.5. Sigma FD we have calculated 115 upon sigma F. So sigma F, I told you it was 35. 8, 3 plus 8, 11 plus and 20, 30, 33 and 235. So divided by 35 like this. Okay, now cancel it by 5. Okay, 23 by 7. Now when you divide 23 by 7, .285. So from 32.5 you subtract 3.285. So you know, see the mean is coming out to be 29.215. The mean is 29.215. So you can see the mode is 30.625, the median is 28.6 and the mean is 29.215. So in the next class we'll start a new topic and practice the sums based on these mean, median and mode. Thank you.